Here we are, 5049 on the Cunard, Queen Mary 2. This is our cabin. And I'm going to give you a little tour. Here's our bed. Here's our host.
Hello. Welcome.
The finder of the feast.
May I get a lift for you?
That was quite a line for the lift.
A queue.
All right.
You need a queue for the lift.
So here, oh, this is lovely. Look at, you get a whole bunch of champagne, hon.
Yeah.
And I'll have
You've
seltzer.
got a nice water glass.
I'll get seltzer in mine. Look at lovely. Oh, you get a teapot.
Bit of tea.
And look at this lovely.
Protected.
Look at this balcony. This is the way to go transatlantic, my friends. And there's the Statue of Liberty. Let's do a little close-up. There she is. There she is. Tired and sad, but she's still there. And there is the New York City skyline. Alrighty, here we are. Okay. And we'll come back in to our lovely room. You can see the Statue of Liberty out there.
Nice.
All right.
And justice for all.
Oh, I need to look at the bathroom.
Yeah, I was just going to do that. Go ahead. I didn't want to leave our bags out there.
Look how lovely. Look how lovely. Okay. Oh, nice bathroom. Nice big shower. Towels. Lovely products.
Oh, yeah, they're designer products. Or is it products?
Alrighty. Alright, we can stay here for a week. Alrighty.
Hey, do us a favor and please like and subscribe our channel so we can get more videos to you. Thanks. Do you agree with what we said? Do you disagree? Let us know in the comments below. And that's all for today here at the Crow's Nest, where that X stands for
Extra.
Scotty Steve, Scotty Steve, Scotty Steve, Scotty Steve,